Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened on last Friday and what we expected on that. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates last Friday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 4,513. We expected crude oil to stay in downtrend. We thought that if the price is coming near 4,550, we can go for selling, placing stop loss near 4,630. Price consolidated around 4,520, taking it as a resistance for a very long time. Finally cleared and entered into our zone of selling. Finally, what happened? It found some resistance near 4,615, but finally that resulted in a failure. So the price went and triggered the stop, and it went here 4,680 and closed near that. So completely dominated by the buyers after a very long consolidation. What we can do today? You can expect a price to open somewhere near 4,640. So we are expecting a bit of lower opening, but let's decrease the scale so that let's see whether we can have some clarity. So I'm going to decrease the scale. Still it is the same 7-minute candlestick chart. So for this entire contract, whatever is happening in this entire contract, so we thought that we can target this particular zone from where the price dropped. So that's one of the reason we went short till this zone. So what happened? Now the price had broken the zone, and it's going to trade within this key zone. So if there is any buying in the market, if at all, that whatever price action that happened in the last 2-3 days, where the market gave a reversal, is very positive for buying, then what should happen? The price should maintain 4,590 as a stop. So it should find some support in this area and should maintain 4,590 as a stop, and you can go for buying. If there is any buying, the price will again clear 4,660 to put some strong buying. But if that is not going to happen, which means that it's just a retracement of this very big fall, and still you can expect the price to come down, or it can consolidate within a range of 4,600 and 4,400. So this is going to be the case for this contract. For this contract, phase depends on how the price is reacting in and around 4,600. So we need to closely watch this. So if you are a very conservative trader, you can stay away from the market. This is an area where we need to fight and get back up. So let's see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.